Meaning of icing.
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 Icing. In culinary terms, icing refers to a sweet dessert topping or decoration made from sugar, milk or cream, and flavorings. It is typically spread onto cakes, cupcakes, and other baked goods to enhance their taste and appearance. Icing can come in many forms, such as buttercream, frosting, glaze, or fondant, and can be shaped, piped, or colored for decorative purposes. The result of adding icing to a dessert is a visually appealing and delicious treat that is sure to satisfy any sweet tooth.